Namaskar. Let's learn an acupressure point and let's see how to identify the location and how to activate this point. This point is located on your elbow crease. Let's go and see. The point is located along with your thumb line on the elbow crease, inner side of the elbow crease, where your elbow gets folded. So on this point you will hold the elbow and put the pressure with your thumb tip, and after you finish the exerting the pressure on one hand, then you go to the other hand and put the pressure in the same manner. In this way you can activate your acupressure point and exert the energy from there. Do this acupressure point with your conscious breathing and keep your smiling face